Alright, so we're going to start off with a slip knot, and then we're going to chain a multiple of 3, and then once we chain the multiple of 3, we're going to add 2 to that. So for me, I'm going to say that I'm going to chain 12, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I'm going to add 2 more to that to make 14, so 13, 14. And then I'm going to single crochet into this second chain on the hook right here. And I'm going to single crochet into each of these chains along. And then this first row is just going to be entirely single crochet just to give a foundation. If you already know how to do the foundation single crochet, you don't need to worry about doing this. You can just do that instead, but I still struggle with that. All right. And then now we're going to chain 2. So 1, 2. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put another double crochet right here. And then now we're going to skip 2 stitches. So here's 1, 2, and then into the third we're going to put 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3. And then from here we're going to yarn over again. We're going to skip 2, and into the third we're going to put another 3 double crochets. And then again, skip 2, so 1, 2, 3. This is pretty much the hardest part, is just doing the setup. But it is important, because otherwise this can get wonky. So there's 3, and then right here we have 2 more, so 1, 2, and into the third, this last little one, which it can be kind of hard to find the second loop on. Like mine wants to slant. There we go. And then now here, we're not going to do 3, we're just going to do 2. There's the second. And then we're going to chain 2. And instead of going straight back into here, we're just going to leave it 1. And we're going to go into this little space right here. And we're going to put 3 double crochets. So there's the 3, the chain 2, and the 3. And then we're going to put 3 double crochets into each of these little spaces all the way across. Alright, and then now that we're all the way across, we're only going to put 1 double crochet into these chains right here, that chain 2 from the last row, and we're just going to put the 1. And then if you're having a hard time finding this, it's okay. You can actually, it's going to be a little uneven, but you can actually just go in between those 2 stitches, and it'll still work. It'll just be a little askew, but I would recommend practicing getting into these 2 chains right here. And then from here, you're just going to go back and forth. So there's the chain 2, and then this time, because the last row I only did 1, now I do 2 stitches in that first space. And then I'm going to go here, and I'm going to do my 3, and then at the end I would do another second double crochet at the end. So that's, yeah, pretty much it. If you want to learn how to do this, if the magic circle is a little bit too difficult, this is like a good substitute. Or if you just want to make a blanket or something and you don't want to be working in the round, or if you want to add on to like a hexagon cardigan, this is something you can do to, yeah, work with it flat. All right, bye.